morning, everybody. We are here and we are going to take our 300-ish kilos of weight off of the shower tray. The cursed shower tray. And we are going to see what we have won. Wish us and me luck, because we need some right now.
But, you know, if we win, we play lottery.
Yeah.
When you think people go to the gym, we don't need.
I know. It's true.
So, you had 11. I had 8.
So that's not too bad. Overnight, it certainly has managed to come down a little bit. We're a bit convexed here, or crowned, or however you want to call it. So we are going to put it on here, put the weight back on here, leave it overnight, and if we are supporting either end, we should be kind of properly making it concaved. And then when we take the weight off, it should then theoretically kind of like, yeah, want to come back up to level. Let's hope so, anyway. Got a feeling that 12 mil might be too much, or 15 mil might be too much. What do you reckon? It's tricky, isn't it? We almost need like something 6 millimeters,
yes,
or 8 millimeters, or something like that. Maybe 15 is a bit much.
Too much. What can we do?
I've got some 9 mil ply probably hanging around. I just need to find something that's consistently the right thickness. And literally we'll pop it in there, like I said, put our weight on it, and tomorrow morning we get to do the same thing. This is good content for you guys, isn't it? Right, I better get on and do some actual work. 6, 7, 8. It's somewhere about there then.
Yes, I think we will need some sanding paper. It's in?
Yep. A little bit of glue on there. Here he comes, the man on a mission.
Oh, yes.
In a world where it's taken Richard 24 hours to do a bit of plumbing. I think they are just a little bit on the fragile side, don't you think?
Fragile? No, just a little bit. I'm sarcastic.
Yeah. So if we were to take a look at the rest of these, we might have the same issue. Teach a bit more. There's a bit of wiggle there. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. That's amazing news, getting that delivery. Well done, France, well done. Something that was essentially sent at 4 p.m. In Nice has arrived here by 11, something like that. 10 to 11. Well done, France. It's so rare that we actually get a next day delivery, even though it says next day delivery. So I'm very, very happy. So Merlin is going to stop what he's doing down here, and we are going to take all of this insulation and put it up in here. And obviously the other day we put other insulation in. That's for the walls. This stuff behind me, that's going up in, and the little mansard roof, and that is going to basically double up the insulation we have. So 200 mil in that mansard bit, 240 of the wood fibre in the curved, and 156 on that wall. It's about 200 on that one, and at the front, well, you all know it's like a melange, a mixture of different thicknesses, but at its minimum 100 millimeters and its maximum 200 millimeters. Anyway, let's get on and do it, eh? That's it. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. No. 1, 2, 3. Got a little bit of something. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3.
Okay, we put in the dirt.
Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
The middle one.
Right, take it out. Take it out, mate.
Ready? Yeah.
Right, so I've got it. I've got it. It's all good. I've got it.
On your shoes?
Yeah, on my
Okay.
on my tootsie toes.
Let's see.
Right, silicone it.
No.
That's it. As it is, mate. As it is. The lithium
Yes.
in here, so.
Perfect.
Must be getting on for lunchtime. I'm getting under there.
You too? Yes, me too.
Now that we have our lithium, I need to get this floor back into the state it was on Sunday, which was completely clean, devoid of any dust and particles and stuff like that. So time to get on and get it all back to where it was not that long ago. Right then, Merlin has gone home, which gives me a chance to tidy up here. Just got a little bit of fluff and stuff that's come down where he's been working, putting the insulation upstairs. And then we've got to do the super hoover again to get everything exactly clean without any dust or anything like that. And then we get to spray, which means we are going to be in a position where we can continue going up through the grits tomorrow. So that's awesome. That's really, really good. There is a small chance, a very, very small chance that I might be able to get all of this done, and including putting the protective layer, which is a different product altogether, on top of that by the end of the week, which means when Dad comes on Sunday, on Monday morning, we can bring the stairs straight in, which might be good because the weather's looking pretty rotten at the moment. So anyway, less chat, more work. Let's do it.